Hi everyone. We came back from a 5 days vacation, and before leaving, our peas were so close to being ready for harvest. They were in this stage where we had the pods and peas were about to set in, and here they are 5 days later. But the biggest problem is we have squirrels and they decimate everything. We will show you a tip one of our garden friend gave us that saved our garden while we were away. So what we did just before leaving, in this very far away corner of a garden, we set up a big bird feeder with bird feed. That kept them busy for 5 days, and when we came back, all the bird feed was gone. The bird feeder was lying down on the ground. So here we are, and all our peas are intact. So this tip worked for us. We plan to keep at it throughout the season. Now where to find some cheap bird feed? If you have any suggestions, let us know in comments where to find it. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.